Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the unit 4, that is planning. What is planning? The planning form that part of management which lay down the objective and various activities to be done for the attainment of those objective. Means planning is the basic function of management and with it start the other function of management. Planning is the act of making or carry out plan. It is the process of thinking about the activities required to be achieve a desired goal. Under this, it is the decide what is to be done, how it is to be done, when it is to be done, and by whom it is to be done. Deciding all about all these aspects is called planning. In simple words, planning bridges the gap between the where we are and where we want to go. Now, definition of planning. Planning is decided in advance what to do it, how to do it, and when to do it, and who is to do it. It involves the selection of objective, policy, procedure, and program from among alternative. It involves setting objective and developing an appropriate course of action to achieve these objective. So we can say that planning is the thinking process, the organized foresight, the vision based on the fact and experience that required to be intelligent action. Now features of planning. The planning is focused on achieving objective. Management begin with planning and planning begin with the determining of objective. In the absence of objective, no organization can ever be thought about. With the determining of objective, the way to achieve the objective decided in the planning. Next, planning is the primary functions of management. Planning is the first important functions of management. Other function that is organizing, staffing, directing and controlling come later. In the absence of planning, no other function of management can be performed. This is based of the other functions of management. Effective planning provides the framework within which various marginal functions are performed. Planning is a pervasive. It means planning function is not only meant to be carried out only by the top management. It is initial at all the level of management and in all the departmental of organization. The scope of planning may be vary from department to department and different level of management. Next, planning is a continuous. It means planning is considered to be a continuous ongoing process as plan need to be made on endlessly till an organization exit. The duration of a planning cycle may differ based on requirement of the situation, like plan may be a drought from the specific period of time, maybe for the month, a quarter or year. If the need may they need to be revised and revise the light of changing situation. Next, planning is futuristic. Planning is always done in relation to future to meet the desired goal effectively. It is regarded as a forward looking function which is based on forecasting. So, planning involves looking ahead to analyze and anticipate the future event in the best interest of an organization. Next, planning is a mental exercise. Planning is the intellectual activities based on a logical thinking involving foresight, visualization, judgment rather than guesswork. It is a primary rational activities of thinking to determine the future course of action based on understanding of fact and figure. Next, planning involves decision making. In a real life situation, a manager may have an option to choose among various alternatives in order to achieve the predetermined goal. As a result, planning becomes initial as it rational thinking and help to choose the most appropriate alternative among the various available alternative in order to achieve the desired goal efficiently and effectively. Hope student you can understand the planning part A video. Thank you.